Hi, my name's Casey. I'm with the admissions office at Arapahoe Community College, and I've got a few quick tips to help you with some career exploration. Let's say you're ready to start college. It's something that you've decided or your family's decided is the next step for you, but you're not quite sure what the next class is or what that career opportunity looks like. Did you know that ACC provides career exploration as well as career advising to assist you with those first steps? Let me show you how to get started with that. First of all, on the ACC homepage, if you visit us at arapahoe.edu and you go under academics and programs, you'll see that if you select pathways, ACC currently has 7 different pathways. Everything from technology, arts communications, business, public service. We have a variety of options for you. You can also explore just a list of our bachelor's degrees, our partner degrees, our transfer degrees, or a full list of our programs can be located under the Academics Programs, Degrees, and Certificates homepage. If you're still not sure what to do next, what we invite you to do is first complete an application for ACC. Hopefully you've done that already. The next step would be to complete your online orientation if applicable. So if you're a new to college student, you'd want to do that. You can also schedule an appointment with an admissions team member. So if you click on the admissions homepage, you'll find that you can schedule an individual appointment based off of your student type. If you'd like additional assistance, I would really invite you to check out our career services. The Career Services Department provides services for both newly admitted students as well as enrolled students at ACC. In addition to hosting job fairs and partnering with professionals in the industry, they can also assist you with some career exploration resources. You can schedule an appointment with them on their homepage or through your My ACC tab. Again, once you get that application submitted, these resources are available to you as an admitted student free of charge. If you have additional questions, as always, reach out to us at admissions@arapahoe.edu.